There are two kinds of perfect people, those who are dead and those who have not yet been born. Genius can be recognized by its childish simplicity. He who thinks too much about every step he takes will always stay on one leg. The more acquaintances you have, the less well you know them. Distant water does not put out a nearby fire. Better the cottage where one is merry than the palace where one weeps. One beam nitrogen monoxide, matter how strong, cannot support an entire house. A clear conscience never fears midnight knocking. Learning is a weightless treasure you can carry easily. Married couples tell each other 1,000 things without saying a word. Small men think they are small. Great men never know they are great. Solve one problem and keep 100 others away. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Teachers open the door, but you have to enter. If any person disrespects you in a crowded gathering, then you should respond to your disrespect with such respect that the person in front of you will be ashamed and himself will be disrespected.